In this episode of Service My Car, we service one of Australia's subcompact staples, the Toyota Yaris. Get to know the Yaris's recommended service intervals and be sure to check the owner's manual for the next scheduled service. As always, we recommend visiting your local mechanic for regular servicing. This Toyota Yaris uses a Ryco Z386 oil filter, an A1559 air filter, and an RCA 164M micro shield cabin air filter. When it comes to the best quality service products, Ryco has you covered. Begin by raising the vehicle and placing your drain pan underneath. Then, undo the sump plug and drain the oil. We recommend doing this with the engine still warm to allow the oil to drain faster. While the oil drains, remove the old oil filter. From there, clean the oil filter mating surface and apply a layer of new oil to the Ryco oil filter's rubber gasket. Then, fit the new oil filter and refit the sump plug with a new washer. Next, do the initial oil fill using a Ryco flexi funnel to prevent any mess. The 1.3 litre petrol engine takes about 3.7 litres of oil. 1.5 litre petrol engine takes about 3.7 litres of oil. Once complete, start it up and check for leaks. To replace the air filter, undo the airbox clips and separate the lid from the airbox. Then, pull out the old air filter and give the airbox a quick clean. The new Ryco air filter can then be installed with the seal seated correctly within the airbox. For the cabin air filter, start by removing the glove box like so. Then, remove the filter housing cover and take out the old cabin air filter. Clear the area of any debris, then fit the new Ryco N99 Micro Shield cabin air filter, with it facing in the correct airflow direction as indicated on the filter. From there, the housing cover and glove box components can be reinstalled. The Micro Shield is made of N99 medical grade media and can stop viral and bacterial contaminants as well as other minuscule pollutants from making their way inside the vehicle by filtering out particles down to 0.3 micron. Next, take the vehicle for a road test and make sure everything's in good working order. Once the service is complete, fit a Ryco service sticker to note when the vehicle is due for its next service. Visit rycofilters.com.au for all of your servicing needs and ask your local retailer or mechanic for Ryco products.